This is our IM series safety lid system designed for our EZsnap Risers. This 5-arm system is installed to help prevent anyone from falling into the system as a second line of defense behind the lid. This 5-arm system is designed with one articulating arm in situations where our riser system might be installed with the narrower end up top. In that situation, you would bend the articulating arm, get it inside of the riser system, and open it when it's above the inner flange or rim. Once installed, this system should easily withstand more than the minimum rated 250 pounds.
Each one of these legs has 2 different hole slots, and that is where you're going to put the screw. So if you rotate it until it lines up with the screw bosses, that's where you're going to install the screws. And this system is rated to exceed 250 pounds. And that is the safety lid system. For further assistance, contact Infiltrator's technical department at 800-221-4436 or info@infiltratorwater.com.